Welcome. If you've recently noticed a blur effect popping up in Telegram web when you open menus, you're not alone. The new update introduced a context menu blur feature that some people find distracting or unnecessary. The good news is, you can easily turn it off in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do that. First, go ahead and open Telegram web on your PC using your preferred browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access the settings. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main sidebar menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Inside Settings, scroll a bit until you find Animations and Performance. Click on it to open more options related to visual effects and responsiveness. Now, look for a section labeled Interface Animations. This is where Telegram groups together visual features like transitions and effects. Within that section, you'll see an option called Context Menu Blur. This is the feature responsible for the background blur effect when you open menus. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. As soon as you do that, the blur effect will be removed instantly.